Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best cordless battery-powered push lawnmower you can find in its class. The Greenworks 24V 13 Brushless Cordless Lawnmower. This compact yet capable machine is engineered for those who want convenience, clean cuts, and zero emissions, all without compromising performance. So, let's jump into it. If you're tired of gas, oil, pull cords, and noise, this mower is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. The Greenworks 24V push mower is built around a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers up to 3,550 RPM with no load. Smooth, reliable power that's whisper quiet, and most importantly, powerful enough to tackle small to medium-sized yards with ease. Let's talk design. The 13-inch poly deck is not only lightweight but also rust-resistant. That means easy maneuverability around tight corners, trees, flower beds, all the usual obstacles in your yard. It's built for those who want control and agility rather than brute force. And weighing just 24 pounds, this mower is ridiculously easy to push, store, and carry when needed. This mower includes a 4.0Ah 24V battery that gives you up to 30 minutes of runtime on a full charge. That's more than enough to cover small lawns in one go. Of course, runtime can vary depending on grass thickness and your mowing speed, but for regular maintenance, it's very effective. The battery and charger come included in the box, so you're ready to roll out of the gate. Versatility is another win here. This mower offers a 5-position height adjustment via a single lever. You can set it anywhere between low trim and high grass lift, depending on the season and your lawn's needs. It's an intuitive mechanism and super simple to adjust. The mower also features a 2-in-1 functionality, allowing you to choose between mulching and rear bagging. Whether you want to return nutrients to your soil or keep the yard clean with a collection bag, the choice is yours. And because this mower is battery-powered, it's virtually maintenance-free. No engine to service, no spark plugs, no fumes, no loud rumble. Just press the button, and you're mowing, instantly. It's quiet enough that you could mow early in the morning without waking up the neighbors. That's a game-changer for a lot of people. The full package includes the mower itself, the 4.0Ah battery, a charger, a grass collection bag, and a detailed operator's manual to help you get started. Plus, Greenworks backs this unit with a 3-year warranty on both the tool and the battery, which gives you some solid peace of mind. To sum it up, the Greenworks 24V 13 Brushless Cordless Lawnmower is ideal for city dwellers, small homeowners, or anyone who wants to simplify their lawn care routine. It's efficient, clean, easy to use, and kind to your ears and the environment. That's it for today's breakdown on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. And let us know in the comments, is this the mower for your yard, or are you holding out for something bigger? See you in the next one.